In this lecture, I'm going to discuss some more indeterminate forms of the form infinity by infinity, infinity into 0, and infinity minus infinity. Consider a problem. Evaluate limit as x approaches to pi by 2 of the function sin x by 1 plus tan x. When x equal to pi by 2, that is secant pi by 2 by 1 plus tan pi by 2. So secant pi by 2 is infinity, 1 plus tan pi by 2, where tan pi by 2 is infinity plus 1 is infinity. So this is infinity by infinity form. So in the case of infinity by infinity form also we can apply the L'Hospital rule. So now let us apply the L'Hospital rule. In the case of 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity, only in these two cases we can apply the L'Hospital rule. So in the form of infinity into 0 and infinity minus infinity, directly you cannot apply the L'Hospital rule. Either you have to convert into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Anyway, but in this problem, so infinity by infinity form, so we can apply the L'Hospital rule. Now we have limit as x tends to pi by 2 secant x by 1 plus tan x. So that can be written as limit as x approaches to pi by 2 secant x differentiation, that is secant x into tan x divided by 1 plus tan x differentiation, 1 differentiation 0, then tan x differentiation secant square x. Let us simplify this. Secant x get cancel. Limit as x approaches to pi by 2 tan x by secant x. This is equal to limit as x approaches to pi by 2 tan x can be written as sin x by cos x, and 1 by secant x can be written as into cos x. Cos x is cancel. So now let us apply the limit as x approaches to pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 is x approaches to pi by 2 for the function sin x. When x equal to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1. So limit is 1. Evaluate limit as x approaches to infinity of the function x minus 2x square by 3x square plus 5x. When x is equal to infinity, infinity minus 2 times of infinity, that is infinity by infinity form. So now we can apply the L'Hospital rule. So now limit as x approaches to infinity, x minus 2x square by 3x square plus 5x. So this can be written as limit as x approaches to infinity, differentiate the denominator. So 1 minus 4x by 3x square differentiation 6x plus 5. So this can be written as again once again apply the L'Hospital rule because it is infinity by infinity form. So limit as x tends to infinity. So differentiation of numerator. So that is minus 4 by differentiation of denominator, that is 6. So minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 limit. Evaluate limit as x approaches to infinity of the function x into sine of 1 by x. So when x is equal to infinity, so that is infinity into sine of 1 by infinity. So that can be written as infinity into sine of 1 by infinity 0, sine 0 0. So these are the form infinity into 0 form. So directly we cannot apply the L'Hospital rule, but to convert either into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. The given the given function can be written as limit as x approaches to infinity sine of 1 by x by 1 by x we can write. This is another way to write. So this is equal to when x is equal to infinity. So 1 by infinity is 0. Sine 0 that is 0. Again when x is equal to infinity 1 by infinity is 0 that is 0 by 0 form. So now we can apply the L'Hospital rule. Therefore limit as x approaches to infinity sine of 1 by x by 1 by x can be written as limit as x approaches to infinity sine of 1 by x differentiation cos of 1 by x into 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square divided by 1 by x differentiation in the denominator, that is minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square get cancelled. When x is equal to infinity, 1 by infinity is 0, then cos 0 is 1. So that limit is 1. It can be solved in another way. Let take 1 by x is a substitution. Let 1 by x is equal to y. So this implies x is equal to 1 by y. When x approaches to infinity, y approaches to 0. Therefore limit as x approaches to infinity, x into sine of 1 by x can be written as limit as y approaches to 0. So where x is 1 by y and 1 by x is y, that is sine y by 1 by y, that is y. So again it is a 0 by 0 form. When y is 0, let us apply the L'Hospital rule. This can be written as limit as y tends to approach y tends to 0 sin y differentiation, that is cos y by 1. When y is equal to 0, that is 1. So this is the result. This is limit of the given function when x approaches to infinity. So evaluate limit as x approaches to 0 of the function 1 by sin x minus 1 by x. So when x approaches to 0 for the function 1 by sin x, so that is 1 by 0 minus again minus 1 by 0 form. So 1 by 0 is infinity minus infinity form. Again it is an indeterminate forms. But here directly you cannot apply the L'Hospital rule. So therefore you have to convert into either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. So now let us take the LCM now. So now limit as x approaches to 0, the function 1 by sin x minus 1 by x can be written as limit as x approaches to 0. So x into sin x is the LCM. So this can be written as x minus sin x. So now let us take when x is equal to 0. So that is 0 by 0 form. Say x is 0 0 sin 0 0. So again 0 by 0 form. Now you can apply the L'Hospital rule. So therefore limit as x approaches to 0, 1 by sin x minus 1 by x is equal to limit as x approaches to 0. Just differentiate this function numerator and denominator separately. X differentiation is 1 minus cos x divided by, let us differentiate denominator by using product rule. X into differentiation of cos x plus x differentiation 1 into sin x. Now let us apply the limit when x approaches to 0. So when x is 0, 1 cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 again 0. In the denominator also again x is 0, 0 into anything 0, sin 0 0, that is 0 by 0 form. Again apply the L'Hospital rule. So this is equal to limit as x approaches to 0, differentiation of 1 is 0 minus cos x differentiation minus sin x, that becomes plus sin x divided by, so x into cos x, you have to apply the product rule here, x into cos x differentiation minus sin x plus x differentiation 1 into cos x plus sin x differentiation, that is cos x. Now let us apply the limit as x approaches to 0. When sin 0 is 0, 0, again x is equal to 0, that is 0, and cos 0 is 1 and cos 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1, that is 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. So let us consider another problem. Evaluate limit as x approaches to pi by 2 minus of x minus pi by 2 into tan x. So when x is equal to pi by 2, so pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is, that is 0 into, so tan pi by 2 is infinity. So this is of the form 0 into infinity form. So we cannot apply directly the L'Hospital rule. We have to convert into either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. So now we can write limit as x approaches to pi by 2 minus of x minus pi by 2 divided by, so tan x can be written as 1 by cot x. Now let us apply the limits when x approaches to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus pi by 2, that is 0. So cot pi by 2 is 0. Is a 0 by 0 form. Now we can apply the L'Hospital rule. So limit as x approaches to pi by 2 minus of x minus pi by 2 into tan x can be written as limit as x approaches to pi by 2. So x minus pi by 2 differentiation, that is minus 1 divided by cot x differentiation minus cosecant square x. So this minus minus get cancelled here. So limit as x approaches to pi by 2, 1 by cosecant square x can be written as, that is sin square x, when x equal to pi by 2, that is 1. So this is the limit of the function when x approaches to pi by 2. Evaluate limit as x approaches to 1 of the function 2x square minus 3x plus 1 into root x plus 2 by x minus 1. When x approaches to 1, we'll have that 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4, minus 4, root of 1 is 1 plus 2 by 1 minus 1, 0. That is equal to 0 by 0 form. So now let us apply the L'Hospital rule. So now limit as x approaches to 1 of the function 2x square minus of 3x plus 1 into root x plus 2 by x minus 1. So that is equal to limit as x tends to 1. So let us differentiate the numerator. 2x square differentiation 4x. So here we have product of two functions minus first function 3x plus 1 into root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x minus 3x plus 1 differentiation 3 into root x plus 0, 2 differentiation 0 divided by x minus 1 differentiation is 1. Now let us apply the limit as x approaches to 1. So 4 into 1 minus 3 uh, into 1 plus 1, that is 4 by 2 into root 1 is 1 minus 3 into root 1 is 1 plus 0 by 1 year. So 4 times of, so 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2, that is minus 2, minus 3 by 1. So that is equal to 4 minus 5 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. So minus is the limit of the given function when x approaches to the 1. Evaluate the limit as x approaches to infinity of the function 5x square minus 3x by 7x square plus 1. When x approaches to infinity, we have that is infinity by infinity. So if it is infinity by infinity, we can apply L'Hospital rule. So now limit as x approaches to infinity, 5 into x square minus 3x by 7x square plus 1. So that is equal to limit as x approaches to infinity, 5x square differentiation 10x minus 3x differentiation 3, 7x square differentiation 14x plus 0. So now let us apply the limit as x approaches to infinity. Again it is a infinity by infinity form. Again apply the L'Hospital rule. Limit as x approaches to infinity, 10x differentiation 10 by 14, that is 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is the limit of the given function when x approaches to the infinity. Evaluate limit as x approaches to infinity of the function x into cos x minus 1 by sin x minus x. When x is equal to 0, that is again is a 0 by 0 form. Now let us apply the L'Hospital rule. Now limit as x approaches to 0, x into cos x minus 1 by sin x minus x, so that is equal to limit as x approaches to 0. So let us differentiate the numerator, x into differentiation of second function minus sin x minus 0 plus second function cos x minus 1 into x differentiation 1 divided by sin x differentiation in the denominator cos x minus x differentiation 1. Now let us apply the limits as x approaches to 0, that is 0 into anything 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, again it is a 0 by 0 form. So again you apply the L'Hospital rule, x approaches to 0, x into minus sin x minus x into sin x differentiation cos x minus sin x into x differentiation 1 plus cos x differentiation, that is minus sin x, so minus 1 differentiation 0 divided by cos x differentiation minus sin x into minus 1 differentiation 0. Again apply the, when x is equal to, when x approaches to 0, that is 0 into anything is 0, sin 0 0, sin 0 0. So again the denominator sin 0 0, again it is a 0 by 0 form. Again apply the L'Hospital rule. So limit as x approaches to 0, minus x into cos x differentiation minus sin x, that becomes plus sin x, so minus cos x into x differentiation 1 minus cos x minus cos x divided by minus sin x differentiation minus cos x. Now let us apply the limit as x approaches to 0. So here there is 0, 0 into sin 0 0 minus cos 0 1 minus cos 0 1 minus cos 0 1 by minus cos 0 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 by minus 1, that is equal to 3. So 3 is the limit of the function, given function when x approaches to the 0.